Hey everybody, this is Austin with Austin Lindsay Photography. Today I thought I'd share with you a little DIY tip or trick for LED lights for a diffuser. I basically went to the dollar store and I got a clear chopping mat. Each dollar store's inventory may vary, but it was fun to find a clear chopping mat. Each LED light will vary depending on how they accept a diffuser, or usually I'll have the gels too, like a color corrective gel for like fluorescent lights or like tungsten lights, but mine just slides in the side. I have the Yongnuo YN300 3s. Mine just slides in here. I measured the inside of this, gave it a little bit of extra room, so if it was like 10 centimeters or whatever, I'd give it like 12 or 13 centimeters either direction. And the measuring worked out perfect. There's a little slot here. I don't know if you can see it very well, but this slides in and out. And this cutting board pack came in a 2-pack, so I actually cut apart one and I made like 2 or 3 different squares, different diffusers, so I can double these up if I want to and use them that way. So the light that's coming from straight in front of me is actually another one of these lights with a double diffuser in it. So what I'll do now is I'll show you how it looks without the diffusers in it. So this is what it looks like without the diffusers on. You can see the light is a little bit more harsh. Shadows are a little bit sharper. So this is how it looks like without the diffusers in. But that's a little DIY tip on how to make a diffuser for your LED lights. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments field. I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks you guys for watching.